刚才那个是毒枭，这个是那个用
Now this
碎
one.
片烧出来的一个尖头，一个钩，有一个钩的。
14 jet trap. What a soldier fell out here. It's working like this. 1, 2, 3.
你看你踩进去，
This one.
这个是那个凳子。
You see the punch? We did the hole. We put a trap under the hole. Cover the top very well by rusty. It was not easy for the enemies to recognize our trap. And the trap right here, using for the foot. Got stuck here, got stuck in the middle. And also later for the leg. Very dangerous. Now this one.
那个一样哈，看这边。
We got the seesaw trap. When the soldier fell out this side, the other side came up and hit the body.
Ooh. So was one more effective than the other? Because obviously there's different designs. Did they design one and then they tried to get better and better? Is that what happened?
That's why before that, some turd asked me, Koi, why did your soldier have to make a lot of traps? Very traps, different kind of traps.
Yeah.
Instead of choosing the most effective ones and use only them. If you still remember the purpose of the trap right here, psychological one.
Okay.
Favorite traps.
So the American soldier was wondering what's next.
Exactly. So have to be carefully. Because walking around here, everything could be your trap. Sometimes you touch the door, you get a door trap.
Wow.
Behind the door, wait for you. Or when you was walking around here, something underground are waiting for you. Very dangerous.
Okay. Wow.
Now we